Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat and as can see. But on the screen, it's not a good look for dancehall artist Chronic Law, my people, as you can see. It's not a good look. He is being held by ICE immigration officers at some undisclosed facility. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because you've been seeing the news from day, you know what I mean, chronic law, held for gun, stolen vehicles, all type of things. But what we're not seeing is chronic law being held on a possible RICO. Yes, TCO business, transitional criminal organization. The same thing Squash was hit with. Yes, and on top of that, you know, Chronic Lord has been seen with multiple firearms in his music videos and on Instagram and all of this stuff. And you know, it's against the law for any immigrant to possess any of those things. Or they don't have the right, like Americans, to use the Second Amendment. Now, we know that Chronic Law Bridging Risk Bars get locked up what day, January 8th. Chronic Law get locked up January 12th, right? No, I ain't gonna say he's snitching, but one thing we can't do, I trust a cool kid, and them why you par with them, You see what I say? And according to the police report, no, right? The police report is saying that one, him own up for the gun, right? Him own up for the spliff, and him own up for the white lady, 1 gram of it. You see what I say? But what I don't like about the police report, right? It seems like this clock that he had can be easily converted to a switch. Not saying that it's a chip lock, right? But we not see none of them charges there come up on them thing. You see some people putting that in comment section what you think about them. Because look upon this no chronicler did I go war with Malidan. Mr. Marcel, now all the things got disclosed in that beef. You feel me? On like some snitch level. You see Marcel, my people, and boy, oh boy, oh boy, me no want to say chronicler take the bait, but it sure seems like he was baited up. You know what I mean? And as you can see, J-Man case is about to start next month. Yeah, and you can press pause and read this thing. And this one that you see in front of you right now, Squash name mentioned in J-Man case. This is the motion you see in front of you right now. Squash lawyer them, they try backtrack out of the plea deal, meaning that them never want to plead guilty for him being a TCO gang leader of the G City 6. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, there's going to be a lot more arrests in this. You see, I say, but me just give you them quick update while going for that to go on right now. Chronic Law is being held at one undisclosed facility, you see me? And they're not telling nobody where he's being held, you see. So, that's it right now. But we're going to get more intel because we have people on the streets. I feed where you see my say. So, yeah, let's proceed to the next one. Now, I thought I was going to be able to give you a quick update on Markie Markland, but it seems like the court hasn't updated their records yet because, yesterday it was showing that he was scheduled to go to court like in 2 years. But as you can see, them just fix it now, saying that he's scheduled to be in court today, the 14th, right, at 9 a.m. But I've been kept checking the system and nothing now pop up. You see me, my people. You know what I mean? So it looked like it's been a busy day in the courtroom. Mr. Mars and they probably backed up. No pun intended. But as soon as we get an update from the court, we'll let you know what going for that to go on, you see me? Because it's definitely not a good look for him too. And him friend them that's supposed to be locked up on some RICO thing for real estate fraud, But we'll get to that later in the day because it's a big deal, my people. There's already people cooperating with federal agents, so it look like them sink Markie for make him take the heat or whatever, And he still has a legal aid, so that means no money now make you see me. You know what I mean? Just pretty food I eat and nice clothes I wear, But that's the update for now. The system not update yet, you see what I say. But yeah, let's proceed then. No time for a little mix up with the tea lister. Say, them are there with Ivan bad over there, so it look like say Jezo and King, planning for take Ivan down. For some reason, I don't know, them exposing to the girl. I pay 5,000 US dollar for body and all type of thing. And I give them all type of thing for work with. But Ivan, I say, I know so the thing go, So let's take a quick listen and then we'll proceed.
on live cursing you out for Jizo. That's what makes you mad that you're talking.
That's
You know
cap.
this has nothing to do with.
That's cap. That's cap. How did I burn her, chat? How did I burn her though?
Okay, show me the
Chat, how
proof
did
where
I
I tell
burn
you
her?
burn me.
How did I burn her, chat? This is me, chat. 0410 2005. That's me. How did I burn her? Everything came back negative.
Is this nigga dumb?
I'm confused.
So King, I want to ask you a question. You want to be a part of this mix so bad, right?
I don't.
So if I'm telling you,
He just came over here and told me that you was talking like, how the fuck, chat?
and hold on, and you
Chat. I'm just
and you believe what this
if they
nigga
fucking
just
with each
said.
other, chat, what the fuck do I have anything to do with their conversations? How am I getting brought up in their conversations? I'm knowing she banging me up, because when I used to, yes, what? She used to talk about Kino and all these lame ass people I don't know. What the fuck?
Bro, King is slow as fuck. King, this nigga slow.
Yeah, bare madness man. I'm seeing some people. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But if you want to hear the whole Shiska bang with them, go up on my Credible Boss channel, it's a master, cause that's where we drop some things too. More time where we not drop them run, yeah, so you see me, right? So anyway, let's proceed to the next trending thing me saying at Jamaica, you saying. Now people, this thing with Jakes and Rosalie, it's not going to end well. This is saying they need some serious intervention. This is Mr. Jakes write a letter to Rosalie and boy, oh boy, Akeem. Man, people, let's just take a listen.
Jakes is sending a message to Rosalie.
Johnny B. 12 years ago when you just know me, I went to, matter of fact, when you just come and see you, when I come and see you, when you come see me, I live a country them time, I live a Portland. When you come hear about me. You did come here, come hear about me. You hear everything, you hear about me. And you might hear a whole heap of things, you hear a whole heap of things. You never hear nobody call for my name, never. Can't hear nobody call for my name. You see the little man we are dealing with now, the little man we claim to say, and him you say no and whatever you say no. But he ring out per film name straight. Before you know him, if you talk to him, when you talk to him, and when long the relationship right now, but you call upon film name straight. Hey girl, know what you do. The people when they come and see you, you hear about Jakes before you know Jakes. What them tell you about Jakes before you end up to see Jakes physically. Before you see me, yeah, hear about me. And when you hear about me, say before you see me, big waist girl. Yeah, man. Hmm? You bring Batty for me name. Walk anywhere on this island we made up. Anyway, I walk on the island, yeah. There's no place I'm afraid to go. Yeah. Even if the one vehicle in my drive. When I touch road, him shake. Yeah. Look at how your man walk. You come chat. Look at how your man walk. Your man walk like a penguin, you know. Him have that penguin walk there. I come shut off your blouse and scrape out and come back. Because batty you bring to my name. No way you do, girl. No way you do. This look a funny boy walk. Him have a penguin walk. Him have a penguin walk. You know? You know walk like normal walk. Him walk like one and foot them taller than one. Like one and foot them short. I say him walk like, you know? Like put my earth in. Again, they can ramp with me. You see, look at man favorite take off him clothes in front of you. Again, they can ramp with me, man. Fuck you feel like. You do man for your clothes. You see want your clothes here, Ray. Continue to tell the people about the rat way a bit. You know? But it said,
It's crazy. Anyway, people, when we get more updates on Chronic Law and Markie, we'll be sure to update on us. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in a dance. Use, and gossips. Bless.